Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to make jollof rice. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We need rice. I prefer to use brown rice or parboiled rice. We need thyme. I have hot pepper paste, which is optional. I have ginger and garlic paste, parsley paste, salt and beef bouillon. I have red onion. You can use any onion. Wash the rice with hot water to reduce the quantity of starch in the rice. When the rice is clean, add water, add beef bouillon, add some salt to taste, mix well so you spread the salt and beef bouillon into the rice. Add thyme, mix and bring to a boil. In a pot, add vegetable oil. Add the onion and start frying. Add tomato paste and continue to fry. Keep stirring so the tomatoes doesn't burn. Add your pepper, ginger and garlic paste and parsley paste. Sorry guys, off camera I added a cup of beef stock. You could also add chicken stock or even water, whatever you want. Leave it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. taste and adjust salt. If everything tastes right, add the boiled rice to the tomato sauce and mix well. Sorry about the video quality, guys. Oh look guys, our rice is ready to be served. A very quick and easy way for beginners to make jollof rice. Please try it. Yeah. Serve it with some fried chicken. Everybody likes chicken. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.